So I was actually pretty much ready to record a video like 2 days ago where I jumped from like $3,000 to like 8,000. I don't even remember, or to like $9,000. But then I had another trading session yesterday where I was able to actually reach a higher balance. Well, I decided to combine the two videos and pretty much show you how I was able to take, here I have the numbers, $3,740 all the way to $13,319 easily. I think that was like 2 days ago. I don't remember. Yeah, it was 2 days ago because yesterday I had a new session. So I wanted to share this with you because I want to like share with you like the way I'm actually trading and the way I'm actually sharing these trades with you in the BLW Telegram channel. All right. But stay tuned for this video. I'm not only going to show you like the live trades, but I'm going to also talk about the strategy that I actually used in this specific, hold on, let me just go ahead and get my channel, in this specific session that we have. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into the content. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is to share with you that, oh shoot, if you were not available yesterday, well, at the time I'm recording this video, on July 4th, I had a trading session where I have a training actually on live here in my YouTube channel. You can look for it, go to my channel like this and go to live. And in live, you need to click on the webinar. This webinar, I talked about the 3 top strategies for binary options in 2023. It's 1 hour and 15-minute long. And I talked about the strategy that I'm going to talk about today, the strategy that brought me to this specific profit. Now, you're going to see a different balance right now, but it's simply because I've had more sessions. And so I've made more money. But the point of it is to actually show the live trade. So the first session, I used actually, and here I have it actually, I used the 6x strategy because I realized that I didn't have like the way, the right time frames, the right movements of the market. All right, so you need to adapt as to where the market is actually moving, whether you need to change the candlesticks, switch the strategy and so on. So I actually switched my strategy. And on the other clip that I'm gonna share with you, I had a trading session by using the regular strategy, which is this one right here with the 50 SMA with stochastic and RSI. All right, so those are the 2 sessions that I have. Right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the live trades on the first clip. And this one, I didn't talk, and I don't want to share with you with music only. So here I am. I placed a call position right here. Let me just go ahead and get my pen. I always forget to actually get my pen. Sorry about that. So I actually placed a position right here. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I'm moving a lot, all right? I'm sorry about that. But basically, the RSI got broken, but the stochastic is about to cross going up. And I actually went, sorry, there's a hair from a cat. There is an actual option that I always recommend you to do, which is go into the 5-minute candlesticks and determine what's the trend on that time frame as well. Why? Because that way you can actually identify what is like the higher time frame trend. Okay, what I mean is that if it's an uptrend in 1 minute and if it's an uptrend in 5 minutes, you have a lot more chances to actually win. Okay, so that's what I did in here, and as you can see, I won the position. The first one, I don't know, there was a lag over there in Codex, so I apologize. So I won the first one and I won the second one. You see me doing this because I realized that there were no good signals to actually trade with this strategy. So I switched to the 6x strategy, which again, I talked about in the video and the live streaming that I had yesterday. So you got to go and check it out. Bottom line, there's no other way to do it. You got to go and check it out. Okay. So I switched my strategy and I started trading with that strategy instead. And what are my results? Well, pretty much, this is the first trade that I entered. I'm not going to go through this whole strategy right now because, like I said, I explained it in that streaming. But take a look. I won that trade. So I jumped to $5,000 in the previous two positions that I was able to win. And this one is actually going to take me to like 7 grand if I'm not mistaken, or somewhere there. Yeah, $6,900. Now, as you can see, I'm keep on analyzing what's going on. And here I have a new entry. And why is it that I have a new entry? Because this stochastic is oversold. So I decided to enter. These trades, I wasn't sending signals. Okay, I was not sending signals with these trades. Simply because I was having my own session. This was on June 30th, by the way. So as you can see, this is where the position is actually going. And if it drops more and it touch again the zigzag, that's when I enter again. But it didn't. And I ended up winning that position. I was ready to place another position. Then again, there was some sort of lag. Then $7,859. So I was beautiful, right? And I continue with that session. Now I have a new entry. Maybe you want to see the exact time when I enter. So I saw EURUSD, perfect, boom, $1,000 in. So I entered. If the price continues to drop, I'll have more entries. Here I saw another entry, but that was because of the cross of the stochastics. So you can basically ignore that. But I was in 30-second candlesticks. And so here's a good example as to what happened. It broke. Obviously, it was dropping too hard. So it gave me a new entry opportunity. The stochastic also broke. But I decided to enter anyways. Even if I lose this one, I can win 2 positions here and recover that money. For those of you wondering if this is martingale, no, it is not martingale. I'm entering different positions at better entry points, not with double my money. This one, yeah, I ended up losing it. I don't even know why I entered that one. My emotions got all over the place. But take a look at this one. So I ended up winning the other 3 positions that I entered, which took me, the first one that I won took me all the way to $8,319. Well, the 2 positions. And the last one was going to take me what, to like $10,000 pretty much. There you go, $10,189. All right. So that was the first trading session on June the 30th. Right now, I'm going to put the clip to the second session, which was, I don't even remember the date. July 3rd was 2 days ago. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put it because this one does have audio. So go ahead and check it out. Good morning, people. Welcome to a new session. Today the markets are very, very slow. So I told my group to switch to 30-second candlesticks and 1 minute expiration time. Why? Because we're going to see a lot more opportunities to have entries. All right. All right. So we have very low payout today. We have a pre-holiday of 4th of July. It's right here in the US. So yeah, let's try to do some money. Here we have a good chance to make money. This is on GBPAUD. So GBPAUD, looking for a put. All right, I think I even entered too late, but we're gonna see how that goes. So I enter with $1,000 on 1 minute expiration time. Let's just see where that takes me. I'm not gonna have double entries because, well, it keeps on jumping. So yeah, I might have, shoot. All right, I might have more entries than this one. But let's just see. Because the stochastic is bending completely up. But we're still looking at a downtrend, and the RSI needs to be corrected. So that's the reason why I entered. All right. All right, so starting to look good. Nah, that first one, I think we're gonna lose it. Yes, we did lose it. And I'm still looking for that drop. All right. So let's just wait. I'm trading with big amounts because I want to bring my account up. Remember that I have a challenge, right? Take my 5,000 to 50 grand. I think the first two. Nah, the new candle is killing me. All right, we've nailed the first two, but we still. I got another one right there. Perfect. So we got a good jump right here. You know. Whack. It seems like I can't take screenshots anymore. Stupid. I guess that's it, right? That's the only way I have to send the signals. The screenshots. Stupid. All right. AUDJPY is looking for a call. Hopefully I didn't send it too late. No, it's giving more opportunities right now. It's all about stochastic right now. Remember, we got 2 candlesticks because it's 30 seconds. So yeah, let's see. You know, we lost that first one, and the second one, I would think we will lose it too. The third one, maybe if there is a huge jump, but no, it's not happening. Boom, it did happen. Cool. All right, it didn't happen. And yeah, we lost some, we won some, but we're at $12,000, so it's actually good. Now let's look for another one. This is looking good. And he's looking for a good support line as well. Here's DJPY for a call. This one might be too late. Although right now is actually kind of breaking even. So maybe some people were able to enter, you know, at the drop. Now the stochastic is supposed to cross up. If not, we're looking at a change on trending, right? If we lose this one, there's a change on trending. We're not going to enter that one because there was a change on trending literally right here. So if it happens again going down, it's not safe for us. you know. All right. So we nailed that one too. 13,700. Going too fast. Sorry. Now, if they entered right here, they should be winners too. But I'm not gonna enter here. There we go. Euro USD. It's looking good for a put. Euro USD is looking for a put. Take a look at the stochastic and take a look at the RSI. The stochastic is supposed to start bending down, and the RSI is supposed to start correcting and going down again for this downtrend that we're looking at right here. Since we're looking at 1 second candlesticks, the problem is that, 30-second candlesticks, the problem is that the movements are super fast. So we could have a red candle like this one, and then the next one could be a big green one, and we end up losing money, right? So that's the risk of trading with 30-second candlesticks. Hopefully that doesn't happen to us. And that's the reason why I prefer to trade with 1 minute candlesticks. The problem is that with 1 minute candlesticks today, the market is too slow. So I couldn't find any good conditions. So I decided to actually switch, right? But all right, the first one we broke even, and we have a new candlestick forming, and that's what I was afraid of. But there you go. We're able to win one. Even if we lose these two, we're still gonna be breaking even. We're losing like $300, but that's not bad. I'm not sure if I should enter more, you know. Let me look at the 1 minute candlesticks. Let me look at the 5. Nah, it's a strong uptrend happening right now. Take a look. So now it could drop a little, but I don't want to risk it. Take a look. The GBPUSD actually did the correction. All right, the payouts are starting to go down, so you gotta hurry. But looks like I don't have more opportunities right now. Yeah, this one would have been a winner. Hopefully enough people were patient enough and won this trade. Look, because I would have entered more money, I would have made more money, but I didn't want to. All right, so now looks like we just gotta wait. All right, so I'm putting the end of the clip because that way you can see the balance that I ended up with. $13,319.36. That was a pretty good jump. All right, if I actually do the math, 13,319 minus 3,740, which was my initial, I was able to make $9,579 in 2 trading sessions, which is actually really, really good. So yeah, that's how I did these 2 sessions. So hopefully you enjoyed them. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash the like button as usual to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.